gym. I'm back home. Go team, go team, go team. Jesus. Got a car to the next place. Fucking Merc. Oh yeah. Alright, at a winery now. Getting some wine with Parth and Shreya and Shreya's family and her brother. Kind of going to this family event, but this winery is beautiful. Apparently really nice wine, kind of a chill spot. I think they're down there. I don't really know where I'm going, but yeah, Ginarkis family wine.
Come on! Let's go! Hey, we got time.
Thank you.
Wow, the golden arches. See you next time.
Facts. Hey.
I was outside.
Hey, she's
The pressure. Nelson Mandela Square. There's a big statue of him. There he is. Damn, this place is sweet. All the balls are here already. I'm just kind of chip away. We in the Congo. Yo, posted up here in the Congo, about to go get dinner with a real estate developer, basically one of Parth's friends, just having meetings and dinner with them.
Putting in the fucking work, mate.
In the office, the Chug family chef is adorable, man. He just brought me a protein shake for post-workout, and I just tasted it, and it is freaking good. Chocolatey, smooth, not grainy at all. Honestly, his smoothie game is better than mine. Puts my smoothies to shame. Fuck. What a way to end the workday. Hang out on the rooftop of Parth's hotel. Trays full of rock samples.
Il y en a quelques exemples de secrets dans le cas. Dans ça, il y a que les...
Getting a presentation about the mine from Parth. But yeah, I was doing work all day today. Did the paperwork for the new hire, gave her a call. onboarded her. Then me and Jacob recorded a bunch of content for the program, a lot of onboarding content, a lot of growth expansion things. Messaged the suppliers, so just been working all over and doing a few different things, and yeah. Now we're gonna watch this presentation and go on a tour of the mine, so that's gonna be pretty cool. So let's go. After touring the mine, we're gonna go for hot pot, which there's apparently a really good place here, and we're gonna go with a lot of Parth's cousins, and yeah, we get some hot pot after this. So heading out to a good day. After hot pot, depending on how full I am, well, I'm gonna try to edit the video, the Mauritius video, which should already be out before this, and yeah, that wraps it up. For me, prepared by Chef Sandeep. Here is a look of it from the top. Some nice real noodles. I asked if I could have like some ramen, but I made this, which is even better, so let's give it a try. By the way, hungover AF. Only had a few hours of sleep, but here we are. Ooh, that looks nice. Having a home personal chef, immaculate. Hey, what's up? This is post-production Connor. If you like this video, please give it a like and a comment. We're gonna try to get to 100 views within the first 5 days, so let's try to hit that. And if you watched this video all the way to the end, please comment the word travel. I'll know that you watched it all the way to the end. So thank you very much for watching. Hope you enjoy, and see you in the next video. Joburg Part 2.